Hey guys, Rachele here with Amethyst Ascension, and I just wanted to do a little update on the Thursday's Craft Corner. Now, like I said, I was going to this time do a video showing about halfway through. If you've been following my channel, I've been doing a lot of videos, so I haven't gotten as much done as I would have liked on this solely. So this is where we're at on the bracelet so far, and what I want to do this week is actually just explain to you, if you run out of thread, how you actually weave in another thread. Like I said, you're going to want to get, like two, spread eagle arm lengths, and just take it slow when you're running it through, just because, hang on, let me let him out. Be right back. Okay, so like I was saying, sorry about that. You're going to want to get long arm lengths, and just as you're running the cord through, make sure that you're just taking your time and being gentle, because you can easily tangle it. Okay? Go potty, Sully. I just let you out. Go potty. Sorry. Sorry if you're watching my channel. There's always going to be interruptions. I'm not going to edit it because that's just what it is. And it's a pain in the butt. So, it is what it is. So, you don't really technically have to tie it off like I showed you in the cabochons, okay? You can if you want. You can take the one that you left off with, and then the new one, and have them coming out the same bead, and then tie it off, and then take the new one and run it through, like going up and down and over and back up, and just go like that in order to get it nice and tight, going in and out of the beads. And then have it coming out the bead that you should be coming out, so to go on with the pattern that you were already working. And then what you do with your loose end, after you've tied it off, if you have tied it off, if you haven't, you don't have to. Like I said, you can just run it through, but you would have to probably run it through more, like going back and forth, like zigzagging, then coming back up this way, then going over and zigzagging, blah, 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 a little bit longer, in order to make sure that it's good and secure, okay? So this is where I'm at so far. There we go. And next week, I'm not sure whether or not I'm not going to be done with it. However, well, I might be. I'm going to try, okay? I can still do some things, whether it's just sitting and watching a movie with my hubby, as long as I got my stuff in front of me, and just sewing away, right? So, I used to do it all the time. I used to eat, breathe, and sleep practically beading. I would dream about designs and stuff. So, I will try to get it to a point where next week we will be ready to put on our button and our end loop, and talk to you about the differences of whether or not you want to put that actually in, like for instance, putting your button. And I still don't know if I'm going to use these buttons. I might go and find a different button. If you want to put the button at the end, or if you want to put it here, so that when you're wrapping it around your wrist, that you don't really see a cutoff. And then also taking your loop and starting it here instead of at the end. Okay? So we'll get to that next week. Like I said, my hubby is on vacation, so starting today's his last day. I'm probably still going to do some recording because, let's face it, you spend too much time with one person, it's not necessarily a good thing, especially when you're not used to spending that many hours, right? So there's going to be breaks. He's going to go off and do his thing. I mean, we've been together for almost 30 years, so we don't have to be together 100% of the time, and it's probably a good thing. But I wanted to show you the next project. Now, this next project, I was actually going to do this for the 250 subscriber giveaway. However, I decided to do something different, and that giveaway, I actually bought something for it. Do you see my goddess, my Danu goddess over here? Well, I found a 10-inch version, which I think the 10-inch version is a little bit better, just simply because every other like statue that I try to find, even like the god, my god is 10 inches, which it's Odin. He's 10 inches, and every other one of them. And she just towered because she's like 14 inches, I believe, or 16 inches tall. So it just never seemed right on the altar with having them both. And I like to have both because I believe in the male and female principles all in one, creating the one. It's like I believe that we all have that in each of us, and we all are that one. But anyways, different topic altogether. So this is what I decided to do for our next project. A slab of wood. I got this from Michael's, and especially if you go to Michael's and you sign up for their discounts and stuff and coupons, you can get a 40 or 50 % off coupon. So you take it and you go buy one of these for 50% off. Or 40% off whatever coupon that you have. But they normally send them out once a week. So I think this was like less than 16, maybe like 10 bucks. So then I got a stencil, because I am just not, I'm going to burn. I'm going to burn into the wood. Because what I want to create is a divination board. Okay, so I thought what would be fun is just like do a sun. And I'm still going to add some more of these things over here just to kind of fill it out a little bit. And then this is all Sharpie, because I just laid the stencil down and just Sharpied. And then once I'm done with that, then I'm going to take a wood burner, and I'm going to burn that design into this. And then I got these for all of the different words that you put around it. So, it's a pendulum board. Not like a Ouija board, but a pendulum board. Okay? So I thought we would do that, and then afterwards take some like epoxy spray and seal it really good. And have a homemade epoxy. Or a homemade... Don't mind me. A homemade divination board for our pendulums. I seen this actually on the Hearth Witch channel. Or, gosh, I'm terrible. I'll put it down below, but she had one. She had like the Tree of Life, and I couldn't find any Tree of Life stencils that were large enough. So I decided to just go with the sun, or like a star, you know. But you can go with whatever design that you want and that you can find. But this is the project that we're going to do next after we finish the bracelet. So I just want to put that out there. And so I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down below, and I will be sure to check those out and get back to you. If you like this, please give me a like. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget about the little notification so that you can be notified of future videos. And I'm wishing you always love and light. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.